Alam nyo guys, sobrang sarap pag nakaka-receive tayo ng mga bulaklak, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda, sobrang nakakababae. Share ko lang. Never ako nakatanggap ng real flowers ever sa tanong buhay ko. Galing sa mga boyfriend o jowa ko. Pero meron ako natanggap nung ang tawag dito, nung taking ko. That's the first ever bouquet that I received. And that bouquet was given by my brother. And it's like pink roses. So today, I received this bouquet of flowers because nag-midnight date kami sa Tagaytay ng aking lablab, ng aking adi. So, yon. Bago siya pumasok, dumaan kami ng Tagaytay. Nag-date kami. And he bought this beautiful flower. Yan. It's not rose, it's peony. Peony. I think it's peony. That's pronounced as peony. But it looks like a rose. Diba? It's still pink, which is my favorite color. And I'm so happy. It makes me feel beautiful. Diba? There's no anniversary. There's no Valentine's Day. I'm not yet a mother. And it's not my birthday. It's not our anniversary. It's not our monthsary. But it's very, very satisfying to receive flowers. See, it's beautiful. Very, very maganda. Diba? See? Kinikilig ako. So, yun lang muna guys. Bye-bye.